if you are looking to replace or install an oil-free air compressor. There are several critical factors that need to be assessed when you are evaluating each model. Is it actually oil-free? For those in the know about oil-free air compressors, you probably know that not all oil-free air compressors are 100% oil-free. Many traditional makes of oil-free air compressors are not actually oil-free. They often contain some lubricating oil somewhere. Where there is oil, it can end up in your compressed air. So to be certain to avoid the risk of oil-contaminated air, spoiling product, causing production downtime, damaging production equipment, worse yet, damaging your brand reputation, you need to be sure your oil-free compressor is actually completely oil-free. How's the performance? Partly because of perception, there is a belief with some segments of the market that oil-free compressors represent a downgrade in performance compared to their traditionally designed counterparts. Be sure that the oil-free air compressor you are looking for will actually meet the performance demands of your air system. There are now plenty oil-free air compressors on the market that have fantastic performance. Total cost of ownership. Power consumption of your air compressor is going to be the most expensive part about owning one. The single biggest saving you can make is finding the most efficient air compressor that suits your needs. Always get a compressor that is properly sized for your needs with a variable speed drive. The energy savings from having it tick along at about 70% of load can represent a 25% reduction in your energy bill over a fixed-speed compressor. Ease of maintenance. Many buyers neglect the true cost of downtime when a machine goes down. If your air system is mission-critical, then every moment your compressors are down for maintenance or repair is very expensive. So be sure that routine maintenance can be carried out efficiently. Air compressor units are not all designed equally. What can be a quick job in one can take an hour or longer in another. If you are looking for an air compressor that is 100% oil-free compliant with ISO Class 0 and is silicone-free as well, consider a Gardner Denver Enviro air compressor. It offers industry-leading performance and has been used successfully in diverse industries such as food and beverage, pharmaceutical, electronics, chemical, textile, and utilities. The Enviro air compressor also has been designed to make servicing as fast and simple as possible. To get more information on the Gardner Denver Enviro Air Series, call 404-476-6209 or email sales@pybarker.com and we can discuss your needs and provide you with the information you need.